So Daniel Ricciardo is going to replace Nyck de Vries with immediate effect, or shall I say from the Hungarian Grand Prix onwards. I am not at all surprised about the change, because we know how ruthless Red Bull are. I don't even feel sorry for Nyck de Vries, because I think he took his mouth a bit full when he claimed not to be a F1 rookie. Nevertheless, it's still sad to see him go, and I think Daniel Ricciardo is gonna jump straight back in, you know, and be on the pace, and I think that means that he's going to be prepared to move to the Red Bull Racing team in 2024 and replace Sergio Perez. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my content, then please smash the subscribe button, and I see you soon for another video. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.